Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 324 different strategies, with 106 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 222 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,020 indicators, with 425 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says how to actually make money with this trading strategy. And so of course we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide the couple indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add is going to be the 4WMA ribbon. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings of this one. And under the input settings, go ahead and click Enable First WMA. Then scroll down and under the L1, go ahead and change that to 45. The L2, change that to 45. The L3, change that to 90. And the L4, that should be 200. Then click into the styles and uncheck the WMA1 right here. And you can set up the WMA2, 3, and 4 however you wish with whatever color and whatever line weight you want. What I do is I make the longest, the 200, the thickest line weight, and then the medium one here, the one set to 90, kind of a medium or one step down line weight, and then the smallest line weight is the one for 45. And that just makes it a little bit easier to see when they are setting up the way they should be. And so then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the NQQE, the normalized quantitative, qualitative, estimation, something. Anyways, it's a long drawn out name. To make it easy, we'll just call it the NQQE. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is in the inputs, we're going to change the RSI smoothing factor to 9. Then jump into the style. And you are going to turn off the plot here, these two levels here, and then jump back into the inputs and turn on or check this box right here, the show crossing signals, and click OK. So what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for, first and foremost, the moving averages to stack up in a downtrend position. And so basically what you have is the 200 period on top, and then going down to the 90 and then the 45, the classic kind of alligator type setup with the moving averages. And so once you have those set up like that, then we want price action to be trading below the moving averages, and we want to then get a sell signal from the NQQE indicator, like so. Once all those line up, that will be your signal to enter into a short. Put your trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this kind of pivot here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we just kind of bob around there for a moment and make this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for the moving averages to stack up in a bullish type scenario or pattern. And so we have the reverse, we have the longest 200 period on bottom, the 90 in the middle, and the 45 on top. Then we want price to be trading above those moving averages like this here. Then we're going to look down to the NQQE, and we want it to give us a buy signal like this right here. When all those line up, that will be the signal to enter into a long. Put our trade right there, put our stop just right below this pivot, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, again, we just kind of bounce around for a moment, then make this nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So not the best of strategies. Not sure if you're really going to make much money from this strategy here. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 49 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. With the gaining the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $11,400. And so significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Recently, we have developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades here that I have recently taken, and gained a little over $3,000 in the last 3 or so weeks now. And if you are interested in viewing that crypto scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner right now. It'll take you to that video where you can view that strategy. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.